Reality check, reality check, check. Check in, man. You don't know. The revolutionist. Anyway, peeps, today we're going to talk about the Bernard Lodge situation. You know, and the Clifton community over there in St. Catherine. The Prime Minister show no heart, no care for these people. No care in this world. No heart, no sympathy. They show for these people. And remember, you know, these are our fellow Jamaicans. They are not refugees. They're born and bred in Jamaica. See? But anyway, we're getting at the story. And the Prime Minister of Jamaica, Andrew Holness, he meets in a parliament with some members. They outline the whole situation. And this is what Andrew Holness said in Parliament. Prime Minister suggested that criminals are selling plots to different citizens. Prime Minister suggested that criminals are selling plots to different citizens. He goes on. He says tomorrow the government will act to demolish these structures that have been legally erected. He said tomorrow the government will act to demolish these structures that have been legally erected. The Member of Parliament expressed approval of the Prime Minister's speech by applauding. The Member of Parliament expressed approval of the Prime Minister's speech by applauding and bang, 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 knocking down desks in Parliament. Give the Prime Minister the go-ahead to go and demo these people's house. Members of Parliament who give the Prime Minister the approval by applauding and slamming down on desks in Parliament. So the day after, the day after they carry out their act, soldier, police, armored vehicle, helicopter, drone, and man they walk foot with sledgehammer. They go over there for demo the people them house. And they did destroy the people them house. See, the following day, after the Prime Minister rules carry out, we then go over there and demo the people them house. The Prime Minister himself now show up. You hear what I just said? The Prime Minister himself now show up. Knowing that yesterday, you destroy, use bulldozer and lick down with us. And the day after you show up and telling these people nonsense. Remember, the land is not for government, the land is for the sugar company holding of Jamaica Limited. So it's not the government land. So when you do that the day before, send in your troop them, go bulldoze down and mash up what you mash up. You know that when you're going the other day, the people them go desperate, The people them want answers. They are like fish out of water, chicken without a head. They are hopeless. They want to hear something. They want to hear some form of confirmation to them. They want to know what you're gonna do. You're telling them there's legal way out to obtain documents to get title and all of them things. All in all, Prime Minister, say the land honor for the government of Jamaica. So why you go in at it and go lick down the people them house? So Mr. Prime Minister, all what me are saying now, the day before when you went in a parliament and I make that picture to the members and that committee, why you never go meet with the people them the day before? Why you never meet with the people them the day before you lick down the house? You lick down them house and then Prime Minister you go and go after you lick down their house? Me just try to comprehend. No common sense now pick up nothing here, so no intelligent now pick up nothing here, so right now. Because me just try to comprehend. What lead you to do this? You not meet with the people them before, You meet with the people them after you mash up their house, brother. What kind of heights of cruelty and heartless and wickedness them, man? No, you're going to use criminal elements, criminal underworld, to send your message to the Jamaican people them. Because so when it come on to crime and violence now, Jamaica is #1 in the world. Jamaican people are scared out of them boots. The place is in a frenzy. So from the moment you say crime, you're going to win over the Jamaican people them on your side. When you say nothing no go sir, nothing no go about no crime, you just use the crime things to make your pitch. But I ask every citizen of Jamaica to name me one parish in Jamaica that is crime-free. Name me one parish in Jamaica that does not have criminal in it. Name me one community in Jamaica that does not have criminal in it. So when you're gonna make that pitch about criminal underground, it not make no sense because criminal they everywhere. But through the Jamaican people, them scared out of them boats because every day people dead down in that like a fly. When you make a pitch like that to them, you think you're going to win them over. And then go jump on your bandwagon. You see what I mean? And take them up. Jump on your bandwagon and sing Ipipi with you. But this is it. This is it, Prime Minister. So if that was the case, if that was the case that it was criminal enterprise and criminal underground, the deal with them us there, why you never going go seize them? Why you never going just go seize them and use the force? Like how you use the force now for going for the people, Remember, say some house you go mash down, with bulldozer, demo, And you use police, soldier, helicopter, drone, armor car, everything did there. For go demo some little people house. Why you never use the same force there? For go after them criminal element there. What in the community where you claim that are selling these plots to citizens. Why you never go after them with that same force? Seeing? Take over them plot the way you see for them. Sin, come to some agreement with the people them. Make them put some money up front and use the money there. Since a crime, you know, we are talking about crime. Since a crime, you use the money there back into crime prevention. You use the money there back into as a fighting crime. Seen over the world, government over the world, president, prime minister over the world, seen cops for the fight crime, whether narcotic, human trafficking, carjacking, money laundering. Whenever they clamp down on criminal elements. I repeat, I say whenever they clamp down on criminal elements, they don't destroy assets. They don't destroy assets. They preserve assets. They auction off vehicle, foreclosure upon house, them sell them. If a money you have, them take that. So them a sell your house and them a hold the money. Saying, if you have cash, them hold on upon it. If you have vehicle, them hold on upon them and action them. They now destroy no assets. They use that money and put back in crime prevention to fight crime. I said they don't destroy assets. They sold off what's supposed to sold off on. And they take that money and put back in crime prevention to fight crime. You do it the opposite. Andrew Holness, you do it the opposite. You go in and you mash up the house them. Why you could have sell off them house there and make millions on them house there. And make people come pay upon their house there, you reap millions and put back that into crime prevention so you can fight crime. You did not do that. Why you did not do that? You are a cruel man. Wicked, heartless. Eh? You destroy assets. I say it would be the ideal time for the government to lock down on these criminal elements. The same force where you go in and figure lick down building. You should carry that same force to go out there go fight your helicopter, your drone, your police, your soldier, your armor car, your this, your that. You know see it? This no make no sense. Me I try to comprehend. No intelligence, not even no common sense now pop up in another one here. To comprehend upon this. Because me can't see through this. How me go see through this? Knowing that the day before you make a pitch in parliament, the following day you go demo. And the day after you go meet with the people them. What a wicked brother this man. Looking at the people them eye, what you going to tell the people them say? You're going like you're for law and order. Bro, you're not enough for law and order. You're one of the thiefest prime minister Jamaica has ever seen in them history. You're a criminal, man. You're not better than the criminal them out there. What a heartless brother, man. You be hard for belows, you know. You think it's easy for belows? Look on the house them over there. And I know bitch up house them over there, you know. A good house the people them have over there, you know. mercy people them have over there, and them bitch up house. Enough man go talk about capture land and this and that. I want to talk about. Enough I will live on capture land. Enough we can come up with 6 and 7 and 8 and $9 million for buy land. Enough we live on capture land. So till people come up and find we and we make payment plan. Until we pay off for that. 90% of Jamaica capital land them live on. So I know I come talk about. Oh man for be squatters in them one country. Where we born and grow. Squatters. Where that I go? That now go on way, man. Brother, the thing heartless, the thing cruel. No act of kindness. No mercy. Remember when you used to sing that said that thing that about PG? No mercy, Percy. Wrong. And no mercy, Andrew. At that I think, no mercy, Andrew. I fear of this. The man a wolf in a sheep frack. Andrew Wallace a wolf in a sheep frack. Him only pretend like him for Jamaican people. Him love you, him care about you. And the opposite. Brother, hard for build a house. And look on them decent houses. I'm saying, bro, if it's criminal elements, why are you destroying the house? It's the right time for the government of Jamaica to seize those houses and put them into right hands. Put them in the right people in hands. Get rid of the criminal organization there. Use your police force and your soldier force, your drone and your helicopter and go find them. And put them away. And make decent citizens of Jamaica go claim them house there. And that we are talking about. You're a wicked man. You're cruel, you're heartless, you're bitter. You know no mercy, no pity, no heart. Not even a little compassion for the people. And then the next day you go over there, bro. You go over there the next day like you have like you have the Jamaican people at heart. When you know deep down inside you are not. You're a traitor to the Jamaican people, man. You're Judas. You're Pharaoh. You're one of the wickedest prime minister Jamaica has ever seen, man, in the history of Jamaica. Why you did not meet with the people before you demo them house? You wait until you demo the house and then you go meet with them knowing that they're desperate now. Then now go run you. Them a look comfort. Them want to know them next move. You understand? Brother. You're heartless, brother. But I tell the Jamaican people, you know, the dictatorship style that you are using are not coincident. It's not coincident. You're using a scare tactics on the Jamaican people. That's what you are doing. Same way in the pandemic, you know. You tell them to turn at their yard, lock them up in their house, and use your police force to maneuver them. Seeing? And the same thing you do over and over with the police force because you want them to live in a fear. A fear mongering, you know. So when the time they hear nothing about Andrew Wallace and Bro God, them trembling at them boats, Jamaican people know have to watch what they go on, you know. A scare tactics the man I use for uno. You see what he do? He carry out the soldier and the police them. Helicopter and drone for the people them. Demo them place and then the next day him go in. Like a Jesus, like a Messiah. False prophet that! Andrew, you're a false prophet. You're a wolf in a sheep flock. You're wicked, you're a Pharaoh. You're Judas. Andrew Wellness. Wicked man. Mash up the people most like that, brother. And you know, so the land enough for the government of Jamaica. So how you just going with this dictatorship, this brute force, and go lick down the people them house? I'm saying in other country, law enforcement, they protect asset. They preserve asset. They use asset to help fight crime. Because then go and take away the asset from you and them go and sell it. Them go and sell it and make millions and put it back into crime prevention. And use it to fight crime. The Andrew Holness and the Andrew Holness administration do the opposite. They mash up the assets. And then you are going to the people and they go talk to the people. Brother, you are one wicked brother, man. You're cruel, you're heartless. And I'm saying this again. I'm challenged the entire Jamaica to tell me which one of the 14 parish in Jamaica does not have crime in it. Name me one community in Jamaica now one have a criminal element in it. Everywhere in Jamaica criminal there. So when you make that picture to the Jamaican people and they try to rile them up about criminal force and criminal element, brother, every day you reveal your true color and your true self more and more. Them say a leopard can't change him spot, you know. And the higher the monkey climb, the more him exposed. That's what I mean. But we want the Jamaican people, you know. We don't want them, you know. We say what don't broken, don't try and fix it. If a thing not broke, why you go try and fix it for? Jamaica was doing good under PJ. Jamaica was doing good the little time when Prosha take it. Jamaica went doing good under Bruce Golding in spite of Bruce Golding lead way back in the IMF. I swear. Jamaica was doing good again when Prosha take it over. Andrew Holness come back to turn back the hand of time. All the success and the achievement that Jamaica gained along the way. Look and see what happened now. Andrew Holness roll back everything. The only thing this man interested in is sell out and enrich himself. Jamaica, wake up and see what I go on around. You know, sleep too much. On social media, they scroll and they laugh too much. Meanwhile, you are laughing, Andrew, they destroy Jamaica. They laugh and they giggle everything. You know. You see, people use the most vulnerable of Jamaica living in the most deplorable condition and they use them for entertainment and they make money and when sit down in a living hall and a dining room all over the world and they laugh. You laugh too much. Wake up, Jamaica, wake up and see what they go on. Wicked man Andrew Holness. Yo. That brother there, cool like a ice. But I will repeat, Jamaica, never try to fix something that's not broken. And Jamaica are facing the consequence of that right now. Much love. Stay tuned. You don't know. Are the revolutionists. And Aromatic Realistic TV. Much love. My fellow Jamaican. I'm out.